Welcome everybody. We're gonna install the agent in Windows 11. So you need to log into your web app and click the printer icon in the top right corner. Open your downloads folder and right click the file, GraphiKit Agent, and the version and setup. And here you need to click the more info, run anyway button, wait for it to start, and our awesome installer shows itself. It takes some time depending on your system's performance, memory, CPU and whatnot, so just wait, hold on. When it's done, it just disappears and the agent starts up, and you need to approve the domain networks access, so just click that and wait for it to be done. Close the agent, verify that it's running in the activity bar, open the web app again, and now the printer icon is enabled. So happy printing!